happening, guys? What's going on tonight? Drop a comment on what teams we got. Amos, snuck in there with the Niners too, huh? Let's go. Bears, all right. Where we got the Packers sniped to? Chiefs. Packers, all right. I'm a Packer fan. As you'll see with the background as these boxes go down. Falcons and Seahawks. All right, a lot of people watching live. I like it. A lot of teams. So we have a 3 Illusions Mega, 2 Absolute Mega break. I am doing the same break again tomorrow night as well. And then on Monday night, I'm doing a 3 Illusions, 3 Absolute. So just adding an extra box of Absolute. That's on Monday night. So if you got sniped of a team you wanted tonight, you got more opportunities next couple nights. Should be a pretty quick break, 185 cards, take like 15-20 minutes. I will put the replay up right away on this page and my YouTube page. I'll get this package tomorrow and shipped to the post office Monday morning. Feel free to reach out to me on here or on eBay if you guys got any questions on anything. Should be pretty straightforward. No, everybody paid quick, so thank you all for that. Appreciate it. Didn't have to scramble last minute trying to fill some holes. Thanks for asking, though. All right, let's do the illusions first. It's been a while since I've done an absolute, so I have yet to pull a Kaboom out of all the absolute I used to do back in, was it October, November? Whenever it came out. So hopefully we do tonight. Or some of these. I've pulled quite a few Haloheroes in my breaks that I've done. Illusions. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's hit something good right off the bat. We got a jersey patch, looks like. All right, Dwayne Eskridge. Jersey patch is a Cornell Powell. Great Expectations. We have a Clear Shots, Fields, Terrace Marshall, and a DJ Moore. Matty Ice, Palmer. There's a Blue Burr. I think those white marks come off. Yeah. There's a Brady base and a Michael Carter. Javonte Williams. We got a Dots of Jared Goff. There's a Jamar Chase, Shining Stars. Cortland Sutton, Kellen Mond. Stephon Diggs, Stafford. There's a Blue Chuba. Allen Robinson, and a Mac Jones. Base. Could you get Mac Jones on the board? Semifoco. Hey, oh, wow, that snuck up on me. Look at that. We got a Haloheroes, Trevor Lawrence. Boom. Dang, that's the best. I've hit 2 Zach Wilsons and 2 Tom Brady's, but Trevor Lawrence, Haloheroes, let's go. Mystique, Trevor Lawrence. Farmouth, Danny Dimes. Dang, what a hit. Trevor Lawrence. Get some. Love it. Wow. Break's already worth it. Just from that hit right there. Jigs must not be in the chat. Russ. There's a Monra St. Brown. Yellow. Number to 149. Derek Carr. Des Fitzpatrick. Antonio Gibson. Wow, it's a really nice first box here. Yeah, I fit Zach Wilson's and Tom Brady's. First Trevor Lawrence. There's a Justin Fields base. Peyton Manning, King of Cards. Devontae Smith, Illusionist. Davis Mills, and a Gronk. That is quite the first box. Congrats on the Jags. Guys, just join if you missed anything. I will put the replay up so you can see the beginning of the break again. Monra St. Brown, Big Ben, a Dak Blue, Jacob Harris, Cam Newton. We have hit a big hit already. We'll do a review at the end. Keenan Allen, there's a Dots Farmouth. Barry Sanders, Clear Shots, Trey Sermon, J.K. Dobbins. Nook, Pitts, Blue Nico Collins, Kyle Trask, and a Kelsey. Smith Marset, Josh Allen, Trevor Lawrence, have a night. Illusionist, Trevor Lawrence. Miles Sanders and a Jonathan Taylor. Baker, I think we do have a auto, it looks like. Dan Marino, bottom of that's Najee Harris, Josh Jacobs. What do we got? We got a Elijah Molden auto going to Tennessee. First Trey Lance of the night. Ayuk, Sean Taylor, Tua, and a Tannehill. Last of the second illusions. Got a Dalvin Cook. There's a Justin Fields, Blue Illusionist. Josh Allen, Shining Stars. Joey Chest, Kenneth Gainwell. All right, last illusion box. Myles Gaskin. There's a Dots of Des Fitzpatrick. Mac Jones, Illusionist. Yeah, the bottom of that's worn out. Najee Harris, Josh Jacobs. T. Higgins, Powell, Darnold Blue, Tua, Tannehill. St. Brown, Big Ben, Rondale Moore, Blue, a Tebow and a Bateman. Kyler, ETN, Blue Anthony Schwartz, A Miles Sanders and a JT. There's a Zach Wilson. Tylan Wallace. Tom Brady, King of Cards. Another Burrow and Gainwell. Jersey patch in here. Devontae Adams. It's going to be a Rondale Moore. Great Expectations. Jersey patch. Cooper. Derek Carr. Chuba. All right, last pack of Illusions. Keenan Allen. Saquon. Bateman. Brady and Michael Carter. All right, absolute time. So it'll be one auto and one memorabilia in each mega box here. Got a LaVisca, Khalil Mack, Miles Sanders, Javonte Williams, jersey patch. Got a Kenny Galladay, Unsung Heroes, Jason Sanders, Patrick Jones, Samuel Stevenson, Ernest Jones. Yeah, hopefully. Calvin Ridley, Devontae, Ryan Fitzmagic, Keenan Allen, red Devontae Parker, red Des Fitzpatrick, Tyson Campbell, there's a Jalen Waddle base, Quincy Roche, Kellen Mond, Justin Tucker, Corey Davis, Nick Chubb, I believe that's the auto right there, Emmanuel Sanders, Davis Mills introductions, Sam Ellinger, Tylan Wallace, Penei Sewell, Eskridge. What do we got for the auto? We have a Jamin Davis, Redskins. Actually, what now? Commanders. No color, just base. Jamin Davis. Aaron Donald. Robinson, McLaurin, Kelsey. TJ Watt. Jalen Camp red. Eric Stokes. Mongwu. Jared Oaks. JC Horn. All right, last box. So far, big winner, obviously, the Jags that Trevor Lawrence hit. All right, we got a J-Tuck, Corey Davis, Nick Chubb. What do we got? Kadarius Toney, rookie materials. Yeah, you missed a Jags. Big Jags hit. I'll do a review at the end. And the replay I'll put up too. Khalil Mack. Bobby Wagner. Frank Darby. Farley. There's a Zach Wilson. And a Koromoa. I'll show you in a sec. Though somebody's going to ruin it in the comments, but... Got a Haloheroes, Trevor Lawrence. Came out of the first box that we opened. Yeah, I put the replay on YouTube. You're not the first person. Calvin Ridley, Devontae Adams, Fitzmagic, Keenan Allen, LaVisca, Red Trey Sermon, Onzuri, Javonte Williams, Seth Williams, Michael Carter. Yeah, very nice set. Best Haloheroes. Well, I've pulled Tom Brady's Haloheroes, but I think we got a Kaboom. Ooh, got a Haloheroes and a Kaboom. I have yet to pull a Kaboom out of all the absolute breaks I did. We're gonna save that. I think the auto was getting this one. I was just saving for that. But it's in a nice auto too here. LaVisca, Khalil Mack, and a Miles Sanders. Let's see what that auto is. Jalen Ramsey, Julio Jones, Cy, Tutu, Cornell Powell, Vera Tucker. And we got Javonte Williams auto. Not bad at all. Broncos. Javonte Williams auto. All right, I believe there's a Kaboom here. Sam Darnold, OBJ, and a Jalen Ramsey. Red OBJ, Red Tony, Fitzpatrick, Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, and Trey Lance. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. I don't know if I have it the right way or not. What are we looking at? Kyler Murray, Kaboom. Cardinals, big hit. Kaboom, Kyler. Very nice. Well, that was a nice break. Review time. We had a Trey Lance, Zach Wilson Illusions, Tom Brady, King of Cards. Is sideways short print? I did not know that. Illusionist, Mac Jones. Illusionist Blue, Justin Fields. Trey Lance. Trevor Lawrence, Illusionist. Fields Base. Devontae Smith. Got a yellow, Monroe St. Brown. Mystique, Trevor Lawrence. Base, Mac Jones. Jamar Chase, Shining Stars. Blue Burrow. A clear shots of Fields. We had a Javonte Williams auto. Rookie Materials Tony. Jamin Davis auto. Jersey patch of Javonte Williams. Rondale Moore jersey patch. We had an auto Elijah Molden, Titans. Cornell Powell jersey patch. And we had a Trevor Lawrence Haloheroes. And the card of the night, apparently a short print sideways, Kaboom, Kyler Murray. Cardinals getting a big hit. All right. That was fun. I'll be doing the same break again tomorrow night. Hopefully I didn't pull all the good hits out of this one. I'm also doing pretty much the same break on Monday night as well, adding a absolute on that one, so 3 and 3. The replay is going to get put up right now on this page and my YouTube page. Appreciate all you guys for joining. Good job, Cardinals, Jags. on the big hits. Broncos had a good night as well. All right, guys. Have a good one.